Hello everyone, I am Prachi Gakhar. Today I am going to present one of my self-written compositions and the title is My Garden's Nest. In this poem I have tried to evoke the pathos and the sadness of the extincting birds just like Indian brown sparrow who are at the mercy of the exploitation of nature of the humans and by the humans. So here it goes. A paradox to the human abode, an abode laden with luxuries. House built on the tree-cut grave, incubated eggs are shrieking, befalling menace on their innocent nest. The survival nest is grim uncertain. Their sheltered tree may vaporize to vanish. I am proud to nurture a nest in my serene garden paradise, a perennial tree, yielding shelter, hopes I preserved in my sweet endeavors. I care, tender, the brown Indian sparrow, see innocent happiness in her eyes, for she trusts my kindness, my benevolence. Oh, the poor brown sparrow believes that I am her savior. I will protect her. The endangered species may survive. This nest in my garden is not merely a nest. Indeed, it is a request, beseeching you all, requesting you all to lend a kind humanity hand, not to bereave them of their life. So my dear friends, it is my humble request to all of you, stop tampering with the nature, don't cut trees, and please don't snatch the shelter of these poor birds. They can't speak, they can just feel. They are also having life like us,